Ready? 3, 2, 1, start. Plaintiffs are amongst the leading global entertainment companies engaged in the business of creation, production, and distribution of motion pictures oblique cinematograph films. Stop. The claim of the plaintiffs are premised on the allegation of illegal and unauthorized distribution, broadcasting, rebroadcasting, transmission, and streaming of the plaintiffs' content by defendant numbers 1 to 32 and 45 to 135, hereinafter referred to as Rouge websites. Stop. It is the case of the plaintiffs that, as a result of the unauthorized transmission of their content, the defendant websites infringe their copyright in the original works produced by them to be protected under the provisions of the Copyright Act 1957. Stop. The plaintiffs have impleaded various ISPs as defendant numbers 33 to 41 and concerned Department of Government of India as defendant numbers 42 and 43. Stop para. The plaintiffs alleged that the defendant numbers 1 to 32 and 45 to 135 are the Rouge websites. Stop. It is also the case of the plaintiffs that the plaintiffs conducted investigation through an independent investigator, which investigation revealed the infringing activity of the defendant websites. Stop. Inasmuch as the websites have infringed the plaintiff's original content or facilitating the use of the defendant websites entirely by downloading and streaming the plaintiff's original content. Stop. It is also the case of the plaintiffs that a legal notice was served on the defendant websites calling upon them to cease from engaging in their infringing activities. Stop. It is also the case of the plaintiffs despite legal notice defendant websites continue to infringe the rights of the plaintiff's original content. Stop para. On October 24, 2019, this court had passed the following interim order. Para. Let the plaint be registered as a suit. Stop. Issue summons to all the defendants through email returnable on January 13, 2020. Stop. The summons to the defendants shall indicate that a written statement to the plaint shall be filed positively within 30 days from the date of receipt of summons. Stop. Along with the written statement, the defendants shall also file an affidavit of admission oblique denial of the documents of the plaintiffs, without which the written statement shall not be taken on record. Stop. Liberty is given to the plaintiffs to file a replication within 15 days of the receipt of the written statement. Stop. Along with the replication, if any, filed by the plaintiffs, an affidavit of admission oblique denial of documents of the defendants be filed by the plaintiffs, without which the replication shall not be taken on record. Stop. If any of the parties wish to seek inspection of any documents, the same shall be sought and given within the timelines. Stop. List before the joint registrar for marking of exhibits on January 13, 2020. Stop. It is made clear that any party unjustifiably denying documents would be liable to be burdened with costs. Stop. Para. Issue notice to the defendants through email returnable on March 12, 2020. Stop. The present suit has been filed for permanent injunction, rendition of accounts and damages, etc. Stop. Over.